Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2015 Honda Ridgeline. Casting is by Matchbox, new for 2026. As you can see, it's not a standard Ridgeline. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 2015 Honda Ridgeline out of its box. First thing you will notice, it's not your standard Ridgeline. It's custom made or modified Ridgeline for rally. Looks like that, or dune bugging. No. You can see Honda Racing livery obviously on this one. A lot of sponsors, names on the driver's side. Let's start from the front. So in the front, again, you can see where the headlamp and grille is, but none of them are detailed. We expect more from Matchbox now because they have been doing such a good job. So slightly disappointed there. You can see the bumper is obviously modified. So are the wheel arches. They are really wide. An air intake on the hood. No glass in the front window, it's all open. Looks like there is a light bar on the top, but again not painted or detailed. You can see a roll cage here. Back to the driver's side. Again, you can see how the entire front end is like hold. I don't know if they're clamps, but it's closed here rather than having just a hood. I don't think Ridgeline comes in a quad cab configuration, but here it looks like it's a shorter cab rather than normal cab you see. And it looks like fuel filler is on the top here, which is very different. No glass in the front window, but you can see the interior finished in black with roll cage obviously in there. Wheels look alright. We have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the year. Nothing special there. Obviously you get the name of all the sponsors and Honda Racing paint. No mirrors here. On the back, again there's no tailgate, but there's a spare wheel in the bed, and looks like some more cooling, I will say, cooling modules. Looks like that in the bed. No tailgate. Can't really figure out where the tail lamp is. It's red and not painted details. No rear bumper either. Passenger or co-driver side looks almost identical. One thing that I show you, if you look at from the top, you can see the wheel arches, both front and rear, are much wider, and then there's this Honda logo on the top. And this looks like marker lamps, but I'm not sure. It might be something else too. You see all those black dots there. I'm not sure what it is. If anybody of you know that, please drop a comment. It has some good details, especially when you look at it as a off-road vehicle. But paint apart, Matchbox has been doing such a great job with headlamps and tail lamps in their main line. I wish they did that here. Would have made it look so much better. For a mainline, it's a good casting, but definitely can use more details, I guess, especially when it's new for 2026. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.